guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I know it's been a hot minute since I've been on my channel. So I'm gonna show you guys how I did my knotless braids. And this is how I sleep with them. Actually, this is how I was wearing them for the days that I wasn't done. Like I would do it section by section. But yeah, I've been good. It's just like just learning how to function while life just, do what you do. Okay, so let us get started by, let me actually count how many braids in my hair and show you guys how I sectioned it. So I sectioned my hair in half from one ear to the next, and then I part a back row, a row in the back with 4 braids. Now part a second row with 5 braids, then a third row with 4 braids, and then that fourth row with 2 braids, which could have been 3 braids, but I was just trying to get through this hairstyle. And then for the front, I just section each side, so it's 2 braids, then another row of 3, and then up to the center we have 4 braids, right? So we have 15 in the back, and I think 18, 19 in the front. I think I have a total of 33 or 34 braids. The hair that I use is the Free Tress Pre-Stretch 3X braided hair, and it's more of that expression braid texture, which I love. I love using expression braid texture in my hair. However, I don't like stretching expression hair, so this pre-stretch make it a lot easier. So I'm just showing you how I just took a small portion. I got like 8 braids from each bundle. Each pack come with 3 like bundles in it. I'm telling you guys 8 braids so that you could like judge it and see how like what portion I use for each braid. So then after doing that, I'm going to separate in 3 equal pieces, and then I'm going to use my edge boost, right, just to smooth on the roots. And before, you guys also saw me use the wax to rub down the cuticle in hair so it doesn't dry my hair out. And y'all, let's just give a major shout out to Edge Boost Edge Control, because this edge control has been the best edge control, the only one that has worked for my 4C hair. It works amazing. It holds my hair in place, and I also smooth along the shaft of my hair so that when I'm braiding it in, my natural hair will just latch on to the cuticle long hair so it stays in and it's less frizzy. Okay, so what I did, I make 3 sections, and then I start the braid 1 time, and then I insert 1 piece of that hair under my index finger and my thumb, and then I have the next section to keep it separated under my little pinky finger. Then I'm going to pull it under and start braiding 2 times. And then I'm going to do the same thing. Take another piece. Wow, what am I saying? Take another piece and insert it just like that. Then start braiding again 2 times. And I'm slowing this down, doing this in slow motion for you guys, so you guys to see how I insert it and how simple and easy this is. Please mute me if I'm not doing a good explanation. It's really easy if you watch it. Then take the 3rd piece, because remember we separated that section in 3 pieces, and this is our 3rd and final insert. So I'm just going to continue braiding until I get to the end of the braid. I really love this invisible knot method of braiding. I think this is going to be my new method of braiding. However, I must say this method of braiding, the no knot method, is not as long wearing as the original method or the other method that we're used to with the knot, because my hair tend to frizz at the roots a little bit more. It shows more this method than the other one. Okay, so while braiding until I get to the end, let me just tell you guys some specs. The hair that I use is 1B. I use a pack of 1B. Remember, I pack them with 3 bundles. A pack of 1B and a pack of T1B 530 that also come with 3 bundles. I put the T1B 530 all in the back, and then I use the 1B for the front half. Okay, right? So in total, I use about 4 in the little packs, and it took me about 6 hours to complete. And I'm showing you guys how I do one in the back, just in case you're wondering why I only show you one in the front. I'm also going to show you guys how I do it in the back. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. And then you also get to see how I take them out. So I just cut the hair where I think my natural hair ends, and then I just unravel it and take it out. I did the same thing make 3 even sections from that section that I'm going to use for each braid, and then I'm going to start to braid one time and just put it under my little pinky and pull one piece into the braid, then put you guys will understand what I'm saying better than me explaining. This explanation is not working out, but please just watch what I'm saying. It's pretty simple. Watch what I'm doing. It's pretty simple. I just don't know how to explain it correctly, so just watch, okay? And I'm just going to continue braiding just like I did in the front. Here when I'm showing you guys this is day number 3 since I did these braids. I'm feeling to make sure that it's on nice and tight. But I took like 3 days to complete this. I think I said this in the beginning. I did the back first, and then I wore a hat to work. And then I did like the front, and then I put in a bun, and then next day I completed the middle portion. And yeah, so that's all I did. I spent like 2 hours each day. It didn't really take that long to do. I was just like, those 2 hours I was like watching some things. I wasn't really like focus. So if you really like just focus on doing this, it could literally probably take like 4 to 5 hours to complete, because it's pretty big ones. And yeah, I was feeling it. I love this style, okay? And I'm so sorry that I'm just putting this out. This video is like about 2 months old, I want to say. Like a month and a half to almost 2 months old. But I'm still putting it out. So now I'm just going to take each braid and just use the scissors to just trim away in a little like flyaway. And I'm just going to do this towards the end of the braid, because you do not want to trim your natural hair, okay? So don't trim close to the root. Make sure you're only trimming the ends. This is where it kind of went a little like, girl, what are you doing? I had a vision in mind, but I didn't execute it right, okay? So I'm braiding the end of the hair because I wanted it to have that little wavy curl situation going on. So I braided the end, and then I wrapped it around I braided it, then I wrapped the extreme end around a curling one, right? Then I dip it in hot water, okay? Now dip it in hot water, that's fine. I'm straightening it out. I'm making sure it's, just like that. Dipping in hot water. Yeah, we're dipping. Okay. For like 10-15 seconds. Then I'm going to like use the towel. Make sure you put a towel around. You do not want to burn yourself, because you have to use extreme hot water for this process. So you want to make sure that you're protecting yourself. Okay, it's time for the unravel. I'm going to take the wand out, and yeah, that curl look cute. I was like, a little smirk on my face like, yeah, this might be cute. And then I unravel the braid, and y'all, no. I don't know what that is, but I didn't show you guys hair. I actually went back a couple of days after. I was running out the house at this moment, okay? I didn't have time to redo it. But I did go back and just dip the end straight in hot water and just straighten it, and I loved it a lot more then. And maybe I should have used the wand complete to just wand the end to get that wavy curl I was looking for. But yeah, don't do this. It didn't work. It's not cute. I was not here for it. I ended up straightening this out, and yeah, I loved it a lot more, okay? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really love these braids. They look so cute and chic. And talk about lightweight and protective. This is so lightweight, no tension on my roots whatsoever. I really love that about this style, and I did them large, so they didn't take long for me to do. It was very easy to take out, as you guys see me take out one. And yeah, I was feeling myself. And thank you guys again so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, thumbs up, leave me a comment, all that good stuff. Until next one, bye guys.